how to check laptop battery health in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check laptop battery health in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Alright, so let's begin. To begin with, look for CMD and run it as administrator. Here you to type this line as it is. I will leave the line in the video description. So paste it in command prompt and hit enter. That's it. The battery report will get generated. Now to view this report, now simply go to your C drive and open the battery-report.html file to measure the actual capacity of your battery. Simply follow this method and shown on your screen and you will get to know about the percentage of the battery health. You will find more details in this page. You can simply go through them. So that's basically how you can check laptop battery health in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.